What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Mrongo Jr. Yes, sir. Guys, this is the first reaction video of this channel, ne? So without any further, okay, this is Kushlubi's intro now. Ne, guys, let's get into the video. Yes, sir. I'm not a person of intros, so oh, it's a Mr. Beast chocolate or what? Feastable. Yeah, it's a Feastable's thing. Feastable's bar. So we'll be reacting to it. This is my first time ever tasting this, guys. So yeah. Oh damn. It's a vegetable bar. Oh yeah. Out of 10, 9.9, because the other 0.1, it almost tastes the same as dairy milk, dog. Yeah, that's what. Yeah. But I recommend it also, like, buy it. Need hang feet too. I'm not the end. Yeah, like, that's the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna react. I'm able to reaction videos from now on. Yeah, so bye, peace out.